Redmi 9 power sound problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to solve this sound problem, what you need to do is simply just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. So here all you have to do is just make sure that you have your volume for your media, ringtone and alarm to the maximum so that you can hear and you do not have any sound problem. Next, what you can do is tap on the silent mode and make sure that it is toggled off and not toggled on. So when you toggle on this option over here, it will silence the incoming calls and notification and also have issue with the sound whenever you need. Next, what you need to do is just go back and then make sure that your phone is not in the do not disturb mode. So just scroll down and swipe and you can just see the DND option over here. Right now it's toggled on. So just make sure to toggle off this option and this will also help you solve your sound problem issue. Next, if this does not solve any issue, you can just go to any settings of your device and then tap on apps and then tap on manage apps and select any of the app that has the issue with its sound. So if I'm going to select on Facebook over here, as a tap on Facebook, just go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on the microphone option over here. So as you can see, it is given that access. So I'm going to go back and then if it's not solved again, then just make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart your device and this might solve your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.